Knowing your mother tongue as well your culture is crucial. My question is, does your kids know their mother tongue, the Somali language? Learn Somali with Abzi. Teacher Abzi is a Somali teacher who has been teaching the Somali language both of online and offline for more than 5 years. Our students are from Canada, Australia, UK, and the USA. We teach the Somali language, the kids as well as the adults. All the Somali students living in any countries are welcome here. So, if you're going to teach your kids our mother tongue, the Somali language, now here's your chance. Please book now 30-minute trial lesson, and if you're going to book the full course, please say us hi on our WhatsApp right here on this button. Thank you so much. I hope you or your kids will see inside the course. Thank you. Nabadgelyo.